Jason here from Atlantic Knives. Today we're back with another Bestech review. Today I have the Bestech Heidi Blacksmith #1, model number BFK01A. Comes in a really nice box when you get them. Also comes in a little foam fitted insert with some reading material. So this is the Bestech Heidi. Really nice knife. This one comes in at 6.89 inch overall length. Has a 3.15 inch Satin D2 blade. Nice black and green G10 handles with the decorative handle pins and lanyard hole. Feels great in hand, super lightweight. This one only comes in at 3 ounces. Barely notice it in your pocket. Another beautiful knife by Bestech. Again, that's the BFK01A Bestech Heidi.